Okay, friends. So now everything is fine now.
Yes, Ravi, fine.
Okay, so okay, so what is that theme leaf? What is that? Let's see. Let's see that. Okay. Theme leaf form, right? Theme leaf what form? Okay, so what is that HTML form? Yeah, right. Using what is that until now? Okay, so HTML forms we see in that. Okay, so what is that HTML, right? HTML forms. HTML forms. What is that? On click, right? Or so just think about that. This is the form is there, right, guys? Okay, so this is what one form is there, right? This is the one form is there. Inside this form, what is that? Multiple input boxes are there, right? Multiple what? Input boxes is there, and here what is that? Submit button is there. Okay, so here what? Submit button is there. Now good. Here what submit button is there. Whenever we are clicking on the submit button, what will happen now in the IOC container? In the IOC container, based on this form, right? Based on this form, what will happen now? One object is creating or not, guys? Come on, our IOC container will create what? Object or not? Come on, guys. So one object will
Yes,
create, right?
creating object.
Yeah, one object will create. Okay, good. So based on this object, what will happen now? Based on this object, we are performing the operation or not, guys? So what will happen now? So see that. So this, whenever we are clicking on this one, right? Submit button. Whenever we are clicking on the submit button, so what will happen now? This one will, it will, this form will convert in the object format inside that IOC container, right? This one will convert in the object format, right? So okay, so but what will happen now? See this. Okay, so here bi-directional, right? So in the only one case, right, this form will convert what? Whenever we are clicking on the submit button, it will create the object. So this is nothing but what? This concept is nothing but what? We can say that, guys, this one is nothing but what? Unidirectional. This one is nothing but what? Unidirection form, right? Unidirection form. Only what? Only one what? This object. Whenever we will click on the submit button, this form data will convert in the object format. But what is that? Using what is that HTML form? This possibility only this possibility is there to convert what is that this what this form into what is that object format. But if in the need, right, in the future, what will happen now? Our need is what to converting what is that object data in the form also, right? Object data in the form also, right? Okay, copy it, copy and paste it. Okay, same things only what I'm doing now here. So okay, so next one is what? No, our need is what? To convert this, what is that? This whenever we will click on the submit button, this submit button is after clicking that, what? This form data will convert in the object format, as well as what? Whenever we need, right? Whenever we need this object also convert in the form also, right? Form in what? Theme leaf form. This object also converting in the form format. This nothing is but this concept is nothing but what, guys? This concept is nothing but what? Bidirectional, right? So bidirectional, and this possibility is there using what? Using theme leaf, right? Theme leaf, right? Theme leaf form. Using what? Theme leaf form. What we can do now? Bidirectional form. Yeah, everything is good, right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so what is that theme leaf, right? Theme leaf theme leaf form bidirectional. We can make this one as a bidirectional also. I will tell when where we will use it, because editable form. If we want to use what is that editing form, there we will implement this one, guys. Okay, so okay, so what is that? Using what? Theme leaf. Using what is just theme leaf. using theme leaf form, what we will do now? Okay, it is also called as what, theme leaf form. We can say what, bidirectional form also. Okay, we can see that. Okay, we can convert object in the, what is that, HTML also, as well as what, our HTML form, as well as what, our HTML form we can convert into what, we can convert into in the object format, and as well as what, it support what, it support even what, dynamic input also, guys. Okay, it support what, in input, what is that, dynamic what, dynamic input, right? It support what, dynamic input also, right? It will support in what, dynamic input also, like what is that, like what, drop down, drop down, drop down, after then what, drop down, after then what, drop down, after then what, check boxes, check box, right? Check boxes, check boxes, right? As well as what, check boxes only, right? Now etc, check boxes like this, like using what, like using what, using theme leaf, what we can do, we can use it, check boxes like drop down, dynamic input, we can perform this operation also, right? So this time object creation code should be given right by programmer only, right? If we want to convert what, if we want to please mute yourself, so some like Manjulata, please mute yourself. Okay, so it means what, it means what, we have need to bind, what is that, form plus object, object plus form, we have need to bind it, right? We have need to bind this one. Okay, in what, in the single unit, guys. Okay, in the single unit. So how, just I'm giving what is that, one syntax, input, what is that, input type, right? Just normal we are writing input type equal to what, how we are writing now, guys, how we are writing now, like this, input type equal to name, normal HTML we are writing now. Come on, we are writing normal HTML like this only, right? Input fields. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now good.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, good. So okay, so fine now, guys. So here, what we will do now? What we will do now? We will now in this time, what we will do now? We will take that variable as what, from the model only. From the model only, we will take here. We will take the th colon text, right? Th, no, sorry, in this time field will be there, field, in this time what, field will be there, field equal to what, field equal to what, field equal to what, dollar symbol, after then what is that, variable name, after then what, variable name will be there now, guys. Okay, variable name will be there. This syntax we will follow, right? This syntax we will follow to make this one, right? This what, this form as a bidirectional, means what, if we are doing in the anything in the server, right, that one will reflect to our what, that one will reflect to our what, page, right? HTML page. If we are doing anything here, that one will reflect to server side, means what, that is called what, bidirectional. Here what will happen now, till now whatever we experimented, those things only what, unidirectional now. Okay, till now the things is what, unidirectional. Now from here onward we are going to perform what is that, bidirectional also now. Okay, so what we are doing now, we are binding with the object form, right? This form we are binding with what, object. Okay, so good. So okay, let's see that. Okay, let's complete do the practical on this area also, guys. Okay, let's do the practical also in this area. Okay, so what in this time, what we will do now, let's take the dependency, all dependency, and we will create one small project. Okay, again we will create, and we will see that each and everything we will see as what, practical now, guys. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, take the file, new, and take what, Spring Starter project now, guys. Okay, so after then what, 9th, let's take the 9th application now. Okay, good. So here what app is there, here everything is fine now. Next, what is that, select Lombok, theme leaf, Spring Boot dev, and what, Spring Web MVC, Spring Web, right? Next, and what, finish it. Yeah, project is created now, guys. Okay, so different we will see that. Okay, so we will take what different input and we will perform the operation now, guys. Okay, so our what the next thing things is what first we will do now. Let's create what create one just normal form only, right? Let's create what normal input form. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, guys, so see this. Okay, so come to our resource folder, uh template, right click, new, and what take one HTML form. So here what I'm going to take now, employee edit, right, edit dot HTML. Now select the resource folder, take the template, next, finish. Everyone is active now, guys, come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, so here what I'm going to do now, here take the XML, sorry, what is that, XML NS, right? XML NS. Okay, XML NS colon TH, right? TH equal to what, theme leaf, what theme leaf page URL. Now come here and copy this one. Okay, good. So okay, fine now, guys. So here what we will do now, next what we will do now, next let's take a H3. Employee edit. Employee edit. Okay, good. So okay, fine. So no, we are taking the wrong place. Here we will take inside that body. Okay, good, guys. So okay, so okay, guys, correct. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is the form. Just I need to think about that, how I have need to present front of you people the subject, guys. Okay, just I'm thinking that one. So I want to present the subject in the what easy manner. Okay, so I can apply edit form in there. How I design the project. Okay, guys. So let's first, what is that write one controller? Okay, so we will see that what this result, just normal execution flow. We will see that. Okay, so here come inside that here the application, right? Application. What we will do now? Here what server dot what port, right? Server dot what port. Server dot what port. Port equal to 1919. I'm taking, right, 1919. Okay, so now fine now, guys. So okay, good. Here employee edit we taken. Now good. So here right click, take the new, right click, take the new, and what, take the class. Okay, so here what I'm taking, controller, and here what I'm taking, employee controller, now finish it. So here what we will take, controller, what, controller. Good. So controller I'm taking now, guys. Okay, so here what I'm taking now, just normal method I'm taking, public and what, public string. Everyone become silent, why?
We are carefully listening.
Okay, good. Return what, return what now, guys?
Employee edit.
Yeah,
That employee edit.
employee edit. Okay, good. So here what we will do now, guys, at the rate what, get mapping.
Get mapping.
Get mapping inside that what I'm taking now. Here what I'm taking now, let's edit I'm taking, right?
URI.
Edit.
Yeah, URI. And then now in this time I'm taking the class
Okay.
level also, what, get mapping. Request mapping.
Request mapping.
Get-
Request mapping.
Request mapping, inside that I'm taking what, /employee, right? /employee. Okay.
Employee.
Okay, so this is our what? This is our what? Controller class. Okay, so let's run first.
Controller.
Yeah, let's run that and we will see that first. Okay, our application is running perfect or not. Okay. Okay, so come here. Okay, so here www.1919 in this time we taken, right? 1919 / what? 1919 / employee
Employee.
/ what?
Employee.
Edit, right? Now here.
EMP.
So now we are getting employee edit page, right? Employee edit page we are getting now, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now. Okay, so just what normally what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some forms, right? Here I'm going to take what, some forms. Okay, so what I'm going to do, forms tag. I'm taking here what, forms tag, to make the bidirectional this one. Okay, so here what we will do now. So okay, so employee only is there, right? So what I'm taking now, employee ID I'm taking. Employee ID we will take anything else, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, employee ID only, employee ID. So based on that, what is that? Based on that, what, one form if we are creating, then what we are doing now, one model class also we will create it. All right, in the application now, guys. Okay, in the application now. So okay, so then we can able to make this form as what, bidirectional. Then we can able to make this form as what, bidirectional now, guys. Okay, so what we will do now, come to our what, here only, let's create one more employee class. Okay, so we will experiment it, guys. Okay, we will experiment a lot in this application. Okay, concentrate, com dot what, rk dot, right? Com dot rk dot what, rk dot emp, right? Emp. Now what is that? I'm taking what, employee, right? Employee. Good. So okay, fine now, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, I'm taking what, @data. Come on, everyone. Okay, so here what we will take now, private what,
Sure.
integer, right? Integer what,
Integer.
emp id I'm taking now.
Employee.
Okay, so emp id I'm taking two variable just now, I'm taking now, guys. Okay, private, what is that? Private what, string. Private string, right?
Employee
Private
name.
employee name I'm taking. Okay, good. So two variable just I took, right? Just I took here what, two variable now, guys. So based on that, what I'm going to do now, if we want to send, what is that, if we want to make this bidirectional, right? Bidirectional this form. Okay, if you want to make this one, what is that? Then what you have to do now, here you have to take what, here what you have to take now, guys.
Employee. Model attribute.
Yeah.
Model attribute.
Employee.
Yeah, here you have to take what, model attribute, right? Model, right? Here you have to take the model.
Model attributes.
Huh?
We are passing
Model.
object.
No. We will not just, we will send because we I want to say, see, till now what we are doing using the form, if from here onward we are sending the data, right? But in this time what we will do now, we will set the data in the server, right? And this one will reflect to our browser. Bidirectional we are going to make the form. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, so here what we will take now, model memory we will take, right? Model memory. After then what I'm going to do now, I'm returning, right? Returning what? Returning this employee edit data, right? Employee edit. Okay, so what we will do now, just what you have to do now, here create that employee object, because this employee object only we will edit, right? So what we will take now, employee later this data will come from the database, guys. Okay, so currently don't focus on this area. From the later it will be, this will not be there. This data will come from the database. Okay, database. Okay, so still but I'm what I'm building your basics now. Okay, I'm building your basics. After then we will learn that one. So okay, so here what employee dot edit. Then what we will take now, model dot, right? Model dot what, add attribute, right? Add attribute I'm taking now. Okay, so here just I'm taking what, employee. Employee, right? And what I'm doing now here, employee I'm passing now, guys. Okay, here what I'm passing, employee now. Good. Okay, so okay, good. So here like this, what we will be
We take different name.
sorry,
Because class name, class level at URI same taking.
no
Class level URI and
no issue, don't worry about that one. Okay, no issue. Okay, so if issue will there, then we will change it. Okay, but no issue, 100% I think, no issue. Okay, so here what is that, employee I'm taking. So whatever data we will send it, guys. So to make this form as a bi-directional, like to make this form as a bi-directional, then what we will do now, guys. So for that what is that, we will take what is that, th, the
method.
yeah, th colon object, 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 right? Object attribute is there. Inside that what we will do now,
not ON.
sorry, okay, yeah,
Object.
object, right? Object, this attribute is there. Based on this attribute, what we will do now, inside that what we will do now, dollar symbol. After then what we will do now, we will pass that reference inside,
Employee.
right? That reference, whatever data, whatever object we are exposing, right? Where whatever object means what, employee object we are exposing, right? So using what, model attribute or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, model data.
Yes, Ravi, model data.
Yeah, so that model data we are exposing, right? So for that what we will do now, in the form only, right? Using what, in the form tag, right? In the form tag, using what, a th object, right? Using th object, employed, right? Employee attribute, employee, what is employee key we will read inside that form action, right? After then what we will do now, just here I'm writing what is the hash symbol, means nothing data we are sending now, guys. Okay, after then another one is what, method, right? Method equal to post, right? Method equal to post I'm taking now, guys. Okay, so good. So okay, good, very good. So after then what we will do now, next one is what, next step what we will do now, employee ID is there, right? Employee ID is there now. So okay, so we made what, this, we stopped the server, right? Yeah, it's a stopped mode. Okay, employee edit form, right? Okay, good. So here what, come here. Okay, so inside that we are writing the this, what is that, what model memory we are Ashok Amrani. Okay, please mute yourself, little bit disturbance is happening now. Okay, so here what, employee E is there, employee E equal to what, a new employee is there, right? So what we are doing now with this model data, we are exposing to our editable form now, guys. So okay, so here what is that, how many attributes are there in the employee now? 2 attributes. Okay, EMP ID is there, right? So
2 attributes.
yeah, so ID, just what I'm doing now, ID I'm taking pre tag, take inside that pre tag. Okay, pre tag. Okay, good. Inside that pre tag only, right? So here what I'm taking, ID colon what, input, right? Input what, type equal to what, type equal to, I'm taking input type equal to what, text. Okay, after then what, then th colon, guys. Okay, th colon field, right? Th colon field, right? Field. Okay, equal to what, if we are specifying now, okay, if we are specifying so one particular variable, guys, on one particular, then we will use what? Star symbol. Then we will use what? Star symbol. Now here to read the model object variable, right? To read the model object variable, for that what we will use now? We will use what? Star symbol, right? Star symbol. Okay, whenever we will read a particular field in the object, right? At the time what we will use it now? What we will use now? Star. Now star. In this time we will use what? If we are using field, right? If we are using field, then we will use what? Star. Star symbol. Now open bracket, close bracket. Inside that what we will do now? Come to our what? Model memory, model data, right? Model employees, this attribute, you have to copy it and paste it here. Paste it, right? Paste it. Okay, so now okay, good. So okay, same things what you have to, let's copy this one. Okay, and for the another variable also, let's do it here. What is that? Name, right? Here name is there. Name is there, right? Inside that what we will do now? What is the employee emp name, right? Copy this attribute name and paste it here. Okay, paste it. Okay, so now okay, so here what? Form. Okay, so form. Okay, good. Please switch off your camera, someone is on. Okay, good. So here what is that? Our what? Form is ready now, guys. Okay, so come to our browser now, just refresh it. So see this ID and what? EMP name is coming, right? Come on everybody.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi,
yes.
correct.
It's coming.
Yes, Ravi.
It's coming,
Okay.
right? But in the
Yes,
last session, what we are doing now? Here we are putting the data, right? Here we are putting the data, and this data is reflecting to our server, right? Come on, everyone.
Yes, correct.
Yes, Ravi.
So now,
Yes,
but just think
Yes,
here,
yes.
here what I'm not doing anything. I'm not giving the input. I'm doing what is the in the controller, right? What I'm going to do now? E dot what? Set E dot what? Set what? E dot what? Set ID.
Employee ID.
Yeah, here what? 101 I'm saving now. Come to our page, just refresh it. Here it's reflecting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Reflecting.
Yes, Ravi, reflecting.
Where we are setting the data in the object, right? In the object, in the server,
Controller.
in the server. But where we are getting the data now, guys?
From the
Inside
server.
the
client.
marketing.
On,
UI page. Is it?
on the UI page, same like here. What is that? Another also E dot what? Set. Don't worry about that. In the what? In the next, right? In the next, this data will come from the what? This data will come from the database, guys. Okay, but what is that? First I'm building your fundamental, then we will move on what? Those scenario. Okay, then we will move on what? Those scenario, because suddenly if I teach now, then you people will not catch. Okay, you people will not catch. Because of that I'm explaining like this. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Ravi, that's fine.
Yeah. So
Okay, Ravi.
yeah, so okay, so here what I'm doing now, set dot emp name. Just here what I'm going to take now, Sudhir only, right? Sudhir, right? Here I'm setting the Sudhir name. Now come to browser, just refresh it. See this here, it's reflecting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, reflected.
Yes, Ravi.
Reflecting.
It's reflecting.
Okay, so
Yes, Ravi, reflecting.
yeah, so okay, so in the future, what, whenever we are giving the our client editable form, this concept we are using, guys. Okay, because of that I'm explaining to you people this one. Focus on this area, right? Focus on this area. This is the much important than all concept. Okay, after then I will conclude whatever till now concept I explained to you people, everything I will conclude in the mini project. Okay, that is the very useful for you people. Okay, so be active, give the response, and what is that? Learn the things. Okay, learn the things. Okay, so
Sure,
good.
Ravi.
Yeah, so now it's like it's good, right? This concept is good now. Come on, whatever things I'm explaining, you people are
Yes,
interested.
Ravi, it is really good.
Yes, we are
Interesting.
interesting. Yes.
Very nice concept.
Here we are giving like instructions to whatever we are passing.
Yeah, whatever we are setting the data data in the object, those data is reflecting on our what UI page. In the last, what we are doing, this data we are passing in the UI, and whenever we are clicking on that, right, then what it's happening now, it's creating the object, and we are reading the in the controller. But what we are doing now, here we are setting the data in the controller, and this one is reflecting on our UI. That is nothing but bi-directional concept, guys. Okay, this concept is nothing but what? Bi-directional form. Okay, so good, guys. So let's increase, right? What we will do now, let's increase the input, guys. Okay, let's increase what? Our inputs also, right? So what is that? I'm going to what? Increase it. Okay, so come to our model class. Okay, here come to our what? Model employee model now. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, private, what is that? Private, I'm taking what? A string, what is that? EMP gender, right? EMP gender means what? EMP gen means what? EMP gender. Another one is what? I'm taking private what? Private, what is that? A string what? EMP what? EMP department, right? EMP department I'm taking. Okay, good. Okay, so after then what I'm going to do now, guys, another one I'm taking what? Private, and what is that? EMP language. Okay, so list of employee language I'm going to take it. Okay, so string what? EMP what? EMP lang, right? EMP langs. Okay, so EMP langs. Okay, good. So control shift. So this data I increase now. Okay, guys, so I'm going to explain in this application only one good concept. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain to you people one good concept, very good concept. Okay, by seeing that, you people will, wow, okay, who is the really little bit good amount of experience that people will what cannot imagine this much what is that, this much what easiest way we can implement this concept, because that is what, whenever we are implementing in the project, if we are using legacy things now, that then we have need to write more code. But what is that, I'm going to what, make that one what, too much easy now. Okay, so good. So employee gender now. Okay, so here what we will do now, come here. So okay, so come to here. Okay, come here. Okay, so here what we will do now, okay, so okay, so here I'm taking what? EMP gen. EMP gen means what? Gender only. Okay, so here what I'm going to take now, let's take the same reference. That's good. Yeah, let's copy this one. Okay, same, copy this one and paste it here. And here gender is the what? Radio button now, guys. Come on, everyone.
Yes,
Every-
radio button.
Yes, radio
Yeah,
button.
so here we will take the, here we will take the radio, right? Radio, and here field will be, what is the field? What is the field now? Field will be th field equal to what? Come to our what? Employee model. Now here gender is there, right? Copy this one, and come here. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, inside that, nothing more than except that what, only just variable we have need to change it. Okay, after then what we will do now, next one is what? Value. Take the value. Okay, take the value will be what? Male. Okay, we will take the male, and
Male.
here yeah, here male, we will take the male only, right? Good. So after then what? One more, let's take one more input, radio button for the female purpose, right? So okay, good. So here what is the EMP gen? Everything here female, and here what? Female, right? So now you want to see this on the browser also. Now come here. Okay, see, male and female is coming or not, guys? Come on.
Yeah,
Yes.
see.
Okay, so good. So what value is coming now? Male, right? So if you want to select one, right, here you can select it, right? Here you can select it. But what our query is, no, we will select in the server and it's reflect in the browser, right? So how we will select it? So come here in the controller only. So here what, right? Here what? Okay, e dot what? Set. Okay, e dot set. What is that? Gender, right? Select gender. Okay, e dot set gender. Here what we will do now? Here just pass male. I want to select male now. Okay, now come here and refresh it. See, by default male is selected or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Come on.
Yes, it is
Yes,
simulated.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Ravi, it is reflecting.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Different type in the edit form also different type inputs we are seeing now, guys. Okay. So don't worry, these data will come and from the database. Again, I'm saying now find by ID, find by all we are using now in the data JPA. So yeah, those concepts will be there, right? Those concepts will be there, but just focus on that. What is that? Editable form only, right, guys? Okay, so good. Okay, good. So now, okay, so what we will do now, next one is what? Next, let's see another input, right? Another what input is there now? Gender we completed. Employee, EMP department means what is that? Drop down. This one is what? Drop down is there, right? Drop down. Okay, so guys, see this drop down. I'm going to show different scenario, and that is the too much interesting. Focus on this area, and you know it's my challenge. Okay. Whoever having really good experience, right? These people will be by seeing this one will become what? Shock, guys. Okay, shock. It's my challenge. Okay, so now see this. Okay, see this. What I'm going to explain it is really very genuine, very important and very genuine now. Okay, so what I'm going to now do now, EMP department I'm going to take, right? EMP department I'm going to take it, right? So okay, good. So here, come here on the edit page, right? Edit page. So here what I'm going to do now, here I'm going to take what? Employee, right? Employee. EMP what? DEPT, right? Department. I'm taking, yeah, here what I'm going to take now, select, and here what? Multiple options, right? Multiple options means what? Option, one option. Okay, so copy this one, paste it, and another one is what? Paste it, another one is what? Okay, 3 is enough. Okay, 3. Let's take one more. 3 is what? Enough now. Good. Option. Okay, so here what we will do now, here what? Value, right? Take the value. Okay, so nothing. First one is what? Select, SELECT, select. Here what? Select now. Okay, here what? Value. We are taking the value now. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, okay, so I'm going to take what? First one as what? Dev. Okay,
Java.
Dev. Let's take Dev. Okay, department, right? Dev developer department is, let's take Dev. Okay, another one is what? Let's take another value is